hope you have all seen this lady. Yeah, Aminat Mahama. This is the lady who said some ill things about President Mahama, saying that Ghanaians should kill President Mahama. Now, this lady was arrested and was granted bail. She appeared before court, and when she appeared before court yesterday, on her way to the courtroom, bloggers were there to update us that Aminat is appearing before court. Now, when she appeared, when on her way to the courtroom, she started attacking the bloggers. Now, I don't understand her to some point, because you are in handcuffs. While you are in handcuffs, that means that you are in trouble. You are in police custody. Your matter is something that we are talking about. You've not finished talking about your matter. That is why you are in handcuffs. Now, as you are in handcuffs, that we are going to talk your matter. You are trying to assault somebody again while in trouble. You are finding another trouble. Now, even if your matter, maybe they decided to give you 1 year in prison. I'm just citing an example. That if they want to even give you 1 year in prison because of what you have done, the judge self who is sitting on the matter might not even find remorse on you, or will not see why he should sympathize with you, because you've still not learned. So even if the judge self won't give you 1 year, you go fit change your mind because of what you did. And this video went viral. Everybody was talking about it, and nobody said a good thing about what you did. You are in trouble. They are trying to show some form of Chale, when you have regretted what you have done, and you want to beat somebody in handcuffs. Now, is this lady serious? Aminat Mahama was in court, aka Bawumia, but she was in court, and she has been granted bail of 50,000 Ghana cedis by Court 9 of the Accra Circuit Court, with two sureties that both of whom must be civil servants earning not less than 2,500 a month. The case has been adjourned to August 3rd, 2026, with the courts directing her to secure a legal representation and undergo a medical assessment to determine whether she is pregnant. Now, let me tell you something about courts. When your matter is in court and you've committed a crime, and you are in court, and you're a lady. Now, the case, they've shifted it to 3rd of August 2026, which, however the case goes, will bring you an update, because when Bawumia started these things, we brought you the update from the beginning, how it has gone and where it has got to. We'll bring you an update on how it goes. So when a court tells you to bring a legal representation, it means that bring a lawyer. And when they tell you to undergo a medical assessment to determine whether you are pregnant, it means that prison. 98% of whenever you are told to check if you are pregnant means that you are going to prison. It happened to Agrada. When Agrada, before they told Agrada to go and check whether she's pregnant, before they even passed the ruling, say, Agrada should go to jail for this number of years, he told her to go and check if she's pregnant. Al-Hassan Mahama, Camilla Al-Hassan, the lady who was jailed recently of 1 year for also passing ill statements about President Mahama. Yeah, this lady, she has been sentenced to 1 year in prison. She was also told to go and do pregnancy test to check if she's pregnant. And Aminat Mahama today are saying that she should go and check if she's pregnant. So, follow the sequence. Whenever you are told to go and check if you are pregnant, definitely you'll be given a sentence. And we don't take pregnancy to prison. So if you are pregnant, you will not be convicted. Like, you will not be, sentenced. They'll go make you born, everything. Then you go serve time for there. That'll be high day. But you see, this kind of cases usually is 1 to 3 years. So her case, roughly that could be the range where they go sentence them 1 to 3 years. And also, Prince Abuaji, a 38-year-old NDC branch organizer. I think you should know better than this. NDC branch organizer, you're a branch organizer. You should know better than this. Why they didn't do interview before in putting these people in power? At Agona West, Prince Abuaji also said some ill things about Vice President Bawumia. Former Vice President Bawumia says that former Vice President Bawumia has been sleeping with people's wives. Now I'm translating because some of the people who watch my videos don't understand Twi. So I explain. in English so that you understand, so that those of you who understand Tree can just watch and understand.
Bawumia Jimmy for Dinia Wankasa Wakran and Mukuno, Asia. I didn't call for your Bawumia. Bawumia didn't call for your former MP, so me MP before. Now we do man no Mukun, was young penny. Kwasia bi se muso me digana so aboa bi se hwenanim ese kokuo tesoro aboa we muso me digana so na Ghana ye pemo mo me digana so anke kwache kokuo me digana so kwasia bi se aboa bi se o former MP so me MP before na wodi o man no wokum kwasia bi se muso me digana so vice president ke ko be ye kwana no di nkofo you know ba be president aboa bi ti se jimi we.
So Prince 2 yesterday he went to court. And, you know, however the matter goes with him to update you guys and tell you how his matter is also going. Now, all these things that the government is doing or the Ghana Police Service is doing, they are trying to educate the public. They are trying to tell the public that you, even though you have your own personal phone, you have social media, this your mouth, it can put you in trouble. This your mouth can take you away from freedom. This your mouth can say something that you would end up being in jail. So they are trying to serve or use these three people, Kamila Al-Hassan, Prince Abuaje, Aminat Mahama. These three people, they are using them as scapegoats to deter the other people from misbehaving. Those of you that listen, that is why we are using our platforms to amplify these things. Those of you who don't know, those of you who have intentions to insult somebody in position, somebody in power, somebody who is not even in power, say ill things, talk falsely, false accusation, false news, false publications. You say things about them, you don't even have evidence, you don't even know, you are just saying it. Please, you will be arrested, you will be taken to court, you will be asked to provide evidence for whatever you are saying. And if you don't have it, you will go to jail. So stop saying, see, TikTok has come to stay. So understand, listen, ignorance, it's not an excuse before the law. If you didn't know that, oh, if I say this thing, I'll go to jail. If I say this thing, police will arrest me. If I say this thing, I'll have a problem with the government or the system. Go and read the Constitution and understand what the Constitution says against these acts. You don't say things and then talk anyhow and think you go scot-free. You will face the law. Now, all these three people that we have used to explain, no, Kamila Al-Hassan said some ill things about the president. She couldn't even provide evidence. She can't prove what she was saying. She was just saying anything. Aminat Mahama also said ill things about the president. Prince Abuaje said ill things about the former vice president, Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia. So you see, these things don't just relate to presidency and people in power. It can be anybody. If you, for example, you are sitting, you are watching me right now, you come and say things about me which are not true, and I go and report to the police, and I tell the police that they should investigate the matter. They call you to court, come and provide evidence for defaming me, saying ill things about me, false news, and you are not able to provide it, the law will deal with you. So this is not even just people in power. It has to do with everybody. You can say something about an influencer, you can say something about somebody on social media, you don't have evidence, you can't prove what you are saying, or what you are saying is not true, you go and sleep inside. This is just an advice. We are using our platform to promote people and letting people understand that these things are wrong, they are illegal, and you people should stop. Those of you when you take a phone or you stand up, you say anything, you don't even know, you just want to trend, you want views. The views will take you go where you don't want to go. Be careful. My name is Kwabena Liquid. This is the Kwabena Liquid Network. Subscribe, share, watch other videos on this channel. Peace. I'm out.